Third class science. Today we will discuss digestive system. When we smell food, our mouth starts watering. Yes, when we smell food, our mouth starts watering. Our mouth starts watering. This process is the beginning of digestion. This process is the beginning of digestion. Okay? When we smell food, our mouth starts watering. This is the beginning of digestion. Digestion means the process of changing of food into simple form. What is the digestion? The process of changing of food into simple form. Its simple form is used by the body. This simple form is used by the body. What is the digestion? The process of changing of food into simple form. This simple form is used by the body. That the food we chew the food with mixes of saliva. We chew the food mixes of saliva. It's change a soft. Yes, it's change a soft form. We eat food. We chew the food with the help of saliva. With mix of saliva with our food, chew the food, and this is changed to soft form. This soft form goes to the stomach. This soft form goes to the stomach. Okay, here see children. When we eat the food, this food is mixes with saliva. Okay, this saliva and mixes with food is passed through the food pipe. Through a stomach. In the stomach, the food is mixed with digestive juices. It is changed to liquid form. The stomach is this liquid form through the small intestine. This small intestine through the blood. Passed through blood. Okay, can you understand children? Once again I repeat you. When we eat the food, we can chew the food. Chew the food is mixes with saliva to form a simple form. This simple form passes through the food pipe through a stomach. This stomach is released the digestive juices. The food is mixed with the digestive juices. It changes a liquid form. This liquid form food is passed through the stomach, small intestine. This small intestine food is taken by the blood. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్లో లిక్విడ్ ఫుడ్ బ్లడ్కి సప్లై చేస్తుంది. టేకెన్ బై ద బ్లడ్. ఓకే, కెన్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్? This blood is carry the total body parts. Once again I repeat you. When we eat the food, that food chew and mix with the saliva, and it is changed to a soft form and simple form. It's passed through a food pipe through a stomach. The stomach is mixed with food is digestive juices. Stomach is released the digestive juice, and this digestive food is changed to liquid form. This liquid form passed through small intestine. This small intestine again passed the food blood. This blood is passed through the total body parts. Okay, once again here see children. Okay, mouth, we eat the food, chew the food in mouth and it mixes with saliva. This saliva food is passed through the food pipe, a stomach. The stomach is a released digestive juices. The food is mixed with digestive juices. This stomach is passed through the small intestine. The small intestine, the digested food is taken by the blood, and this blood is carry the total body parts. స్మాల్ ఇంటెస్టైన్ ఎవరికి పాస్ చేస్తుందన్నా బ్లడ్ తీసుకుంటుంది. ఆ బ్లడ్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, టోటల్ అవర్ బాడీ పార్ట్స్కి సెండ్ చేస్తుంది. ఓకేనా. Undigested food, the stomach through the undigested food, large intestine. It is a largest intestine. The large intestine takes more water and supply the undigested food anus. Okay na. Here see mouth, liver, stomach, large intestine, small intestine and anus. These are the digestive system parts. Okay na. Once again I repeat you here see, when we eat the food, we chew the food in mouth, that food is mixed with saliva and it's changed to a simple form. The simple form food is passed through the food pipe, through a stomach. The stomach is mixed with the food digestive juices. The liver is release the bile juice to the stomach, and the stomach also release the digestive juices. These liquids are the mixed with food. The food is changed to liquid form. The liquid form food is passed through the small intestine. That small intestine digested food is taken by the blood, and that blood is passed through the total our body parts. Undigested food, the stomach through the undigested food, large intestine. It is a large intestine. The largest intestine take a more water and it's changed to simple form, and this undigested food is throughout the anus. Okay, can you understand children? Once again I repeat you the total digestive system. When we started digestive system, when we smell food, our mouth starts watering. It is the beginning of digestion. The digestion means the process of changing of food into a simple form. This simple form is taken by the body. Okay, and here see children, when we eat the food is chew and mixes. That this mixes food is help of saliva to chew and mix, and this soft it's changed to simple form. This saliva simple form food is passed through the food pipe through a stomach. The stomach release the digestive juices. The food is mixed with digestive juices and it's changed to liquid form. Okay, the stomach passed through the small intestine. The small intestine, the digestive food is taken by the blood. That blood is passed through the and sent through the total body parts. Undigested food means it here in stomach. The stomach sent to the undigested food in large intestine. Okay na? The stomach send the undigested food large intestine. The large intestine take more water and to simple the undigested food, and it's throughout the anus. Okay na? Can you understand? Once again I repeat you here digestive system. Okay, when we eat the food in mouth, it is chew the food, it's passed through the food pipe through the stomach. The stomach is changed the food liquid form. This liquid form is passed through the small intestine. The small intestine is digested the food. This digested food is taken by the blood. Okay, the blood is carry the total body parts. And undigested food, the stomach is passed through the large intestine. The large intestine take more water to simple the undigested food and throughout the anus. It is the digestive system. Okay children, can you understand? Okay, thank you.